Learn Kindergarten, go to Boom, click on Sequencing, and then listen.
Drag and drop the pictures to show what happened.
And then after you drag and drop which one would happen first, second, or third, then click Next or Submit and see what happens. Let's do this first one together because there are 9 of them. 9 different ones we're going to do. So what happened first? Would we shampoo him first? Would we dry him? Or start cleaning him with water? Let's see. And then when we put shampoo on, or we put shampoo on and then the water? Well, we definitely dry last, right? First, we put shampoo. Next, we would rinse off with water. And then last or third, we would dry. Let's see. Good. Now that's what you... Alright, so finish the rest of these and then move on to the next assignment.